Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and to this video, to another video from a winter series. It is getting closer to its end, so let's enjoy in those couple of last ones in this series. First, we're gonna start again with a sketch, and this one is quite simple. Just drew two triangles, actually three triangles, and connected them with wiggly line and one straight line for the upper part of the house. I will also draw a window and the part behind the house for the snow, for the tops of the snow, those hills for the snow, and that is it. Quite simple sketch. And after finish with that, I will pre-wet the entire paper, but just gonna skip the part where the house is, the roof of the house covered with snow. And because I don't want to paint that part right now, and I do want that line to stay harsh and straight. And afterwards, I've just picked up the mix of blue, black, and violet, I think that is, and painted in around the house. And in the right corner of my paper, I've painted the darkest because I do want that the sky to be the darkest there. Also, I've added a little bit of blue into my mix, a little bit more of the blue, and made that part even darker. Then I've sprinkled, this is just a clean water on top of it, and also sprinkled just a little bit white gouache on top of it again, and added again a little bit of salt. And I'm with that finishing with this sky, and the upper part, all that will be looking though as there is maybe some snowflakes there, maybe some texture in the sky, and every single thing of those, water or white gouache or salt, will give a different effect. I did not wait this time for it to dry completely because I know I don't have to wait. I've moved on to the left lower side of my painting, and I won't be touching the upper right side, so I did not leave it to dry completely on the side. But if you're not feeling comfortable painting while that part is still wet, just leave it to dry completely and then move on to the part where the house is. First, I painted in the roof and used again the same colors that I use for the sky, but just added a little bit more of the violet color and painted in that left side of the roof, and also the part where the house is, just that edge where the house is and where the snow is, I made it a little bit darker. Also added some pigment on the part that is nearest to the house, but this time I've added just a little bit more of the violet. I do want those two pigments to be slightly different, and as you could have seen, while the paint was still drying, I added a couple of sprinkles of water. You can do that while you watch your paint and your salt and everything drying. You can add, if you feel like it is necessary to add a little bit more of the sprinkles with clean water, with white gouache, you can absolutely do that. And the house I've painted first in a lighter brown layer, and then on top of it added a little bit more of the brown, and just the parts just beneath the snow, the edges, I've painted the darkest. The window I've painted in yellow, and I left the right lower corner a little bit lighter than the other parts of the window. Also, I drew in those how you call that, wooden little thingies that are on the window, and that is basically it. I left it to dry completely, and then afterwards I rubbed off the salt. You have to rub off salt very good, you don't leave any salt, but it has to be dry completely. And that is it. Our painting is finished. This one is quite simple, I promised and delivered. So I hope you will give it a try. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. Maybe consider joining my channel. That's that join next to the subscribe button. Click on that, listen to the offer and decide. Again, guys, thank you so much for everything, for all your support during this year, last year, and during my YouTube career. So again, thank you so much. And well, I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.